Assalamualaikum everyone. Thank you for tuning in today. My name is Muhammad Saufi bin Muhammad Azlan, and today me and my team will be discussing about the topic exercise physiology. Our title is going to be the cardiovascular system. In this video, we'll be covering number 1, introduction of this topic, number 2, structure and anatomy of the cardiovascular system, number 3, functions of the cardiovascular system, number 4, blood flow in cardiovascular system, number 5, abnormal condition of heart, and lastly the conclusion. Whether you are concerned about your own health or simply want to learn more about this vital system, this presentation will provide valuable insight. Before we begin, I want to remind you that while this information is educational, it doesn't replace professional medical advice. If you have any concern about your heart health, please consult a healthcare provider. Now, let's dive into the world of exercise physiology and learn more about the cardiovascular system. So first thing first, the introduction. Exercise physiology is a subdiscipline of the biophysical sphere, along with the biomechanics of exercise and physical activity. Exercise physiologist is a branch of physiology that studies how the body structure and function respond to exercise and physical activity. It involves understanding the mechanism that drive the body's ability to perform physical work and how it adapts to different forms of exercise over time. After that is the relationship between exercise physiology and the cardiovascular system. Exercise physiology has a significant relationship with the cardiovascular system, as physical activity directly impacts the heart function and blood circulation. As example, during exercise, the cardiovascular system works harder to supply the body tissue with oxygen and nutrients and remove metabolic waste. The human body. Exercise physiology studies how physical activity influences the cardiovascular system and how the body adapts to these changes. By understanding this connection, exercise physiologists can design training programs that improve cardiovascular health and enhance athletic performance.
Hi, my name is Yazid bin Arif. I'm gonna tell you about the structure and anatomy of the cardiovascular system. For overall, the heart have 4 chambers, 4 valves, and 5 blood vessels. For chamber, we go for right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. For valve, we have 4 also. First thing is tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral valve, and aortic valve. For blood vessels, they have 5. First thing is superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, and aorta. You also want to know about what happened when we take a breath. First, when we take a breath, the air into your lung and oxygen from the air move to our blood. The simple question that always in my mind, what happened when we take a breath? When we take a breath, air into your lung and oxygen from the air move to your blood.
We are entering the function of cardiovascular system. The primary organs of cardiovascular system are the heart, the blood, and also the blood vessels. So what are those organs functioning as? Generally, the heart contains 2 parts, which is systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation. The systemic circulation will receive the deoxygenated blood from the body, and the pulmonary circulation will pump the oxygenated blood to the lungs. The second cardiovascular system function is the blood regulates body temperature by allowing blood flow near the surface of the skin. This way, body temperature will adapt when we are doing physical activities, as the blood plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis. Last but not least, the heart also works as a pump to hormones and other vital substances to different parts of the body.
Hi, my name is Mohamed Danial bin Mohamad Yusry, and I'm from SPS135-Introduction. So for today's topic, we are gonna talk about the process of the blood flow in our cardiovascular system. So first of all, you guys need to know that the cardiovascular system is transport blood throughout our body, and it is delivering oxygen and nutrients to tissue and removing waste products. And furthermore, blood flows from the heart through arteries, then into capillaries where exchange the tissue occurs, and finally returns to the heart through the veins. And then this process is very important to maintaining our body functions and overall health. Okay, so in our heart, blood flows in specific pattern, which is deoxygenated and oxygenated. Deoxygenated blood from the body enters, which is the right atrium, then passes through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. From there, it's pumped through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery, which carries it to the lungs for oxygen. And besides, for oxygenated, blood returns from lungs via the pulmonary veins to the left atrium, then passes through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. Finally, it's pumped out through the aortic valve into the aorta, which distributes it to the rest of our body. This cycle repeats with each heartbeat and ensuring a continuous flow of oxygenated blood throughout our body.
And now we will get to the abnormal condition of the heart. The heart can be affected by a variety of abnormal conditions that may impair its structure, function, or rhythm. This condition can range from congenital heart defect, which present at birth, to acquired heart disease, which are conditions that develop later in life. So in this video, I will share one congenital heart defect and one acquired heart disease. For the congenital heart defect, we have the ventricular septal defect. A ventricular septal defect, or VSD, is a heart condition that occurs when there is a hole in the septum that separates the two lower chambers of the heart, also known as the ventricles. As you can see in the picture above, there is a hole in the ventricular septum. This hole allows blood from one side to the other heart flow, which can affect how efficiently the heart works. Here are some simple points to describe the VSD. Number 1, location in the ventricular septum of the heart, which are in the middle of the heart. And number 2, the blood flow. Blood flow can flow from the left ventricle to the right ventricle because the pressure is higher on the left side. And then the symptom, the size of the hole can affect how severe the symptoms are. Small holes may cause no symptoms, while larger holes can cause symptoms such as heart murmurs, breathing, poor waking, and fatigue. Causes: VSD is usually present at birth. I have said it's congenital heart defect, but it also can develop later in life due to other heart problems or injuries. So about the diagnosis, VSD is often detected by hearing a heart murmur during a physical exam. It can be confirmed by tests such as echocardiogram or ECG. So for the treatment, many small VSDs close on their own without treatment, but the larger hole may require surgical repair or other procedure to close the hole and prevent complications. So about the complication, if VSD were left untreated, a large VSD can lead to heart failure. And for next, I will share one acquired heart disease, which is atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is a condition where fatty deposit called plaque build up inside the arteries. This build-up can narrow the arteries and make it harder for blood to flow through them, which can lead to heart attack, stroke, or other health problem. It's often referred to as the hardening of the arteries. So here I have point out the simplest way to say atherosclerosis. So firstly, the plaque made out of fat, cholesterol, and other substances accumulate inside the arteries. As the plaque build up, it causes the arteries to become narrow and less flexible, and then it can restrict the blood flow to organ, tissue, including the heart and brain. Common risk factor includes high blood pressure, high cholesterol, smoking, diabetes, and obesity. So atherosclerosis can lead to heart attack, stroke, and peripheral artery disease. So often there are no symptoms until the arteries are significantly blocked, but some people may experience chest pain, leg pain, or other signs. So the prevention, so we all can have the healthy lifestyle such as eating good food, so taking care of your own health, taking physical fitness, and many more.
What is the importance of the cardiovascular system maintaining life? The circulatory system function is to move blood throughout the body. This blood circulation keep organs, muscle and tissue healthy and working to keep you alive. The circulatory system also helps your body to get rid of waste product. For the final conclusion, the cardiovascular system is essential for the body functioning. Is it responsible for transporting oxygen, nutrient and other vital substances to all the cells in the body, while also removing waste product. The heart, blood vessel and blood work together as an integrated system to maintain homeostasis and support the body needs. Without a properly functioning cardiovascular system, the body will not be able to sustain life. Therefore, the cardiovascular system is an essential component of human physiology.
So this is the resource page for the picture that we use. That's all from us. Thank you.